In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the quantity selector and add to cart button in the same line for the Shopify Dawn theme. Let's get started right from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This is where all of your themes live. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme listed. This is the theme that's active on your store right now. On the right side of your active theme's name, you'll see a button with 3 horizontal dots, often called the More Options button. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your theme. From that list, choose Edit Code. This will open the Shopify code editor, where you can make changes to how your theme looks and behaves. Inside the code editor, look again to the left panel. This is where all of your theme files are organized into different folders. Find the folder labeled Assets and click on it. When you click Assets, it will expand to show a list of files underneath. From this list, look for a file called base.css. This is the main style sheet that controls a lot of the visual styling for the Dawn theme. Click on base.css, and its contents will open on the right side of the screen as a long block of code. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. We're only going to add a small piece to the end. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this file. Be careful not to change anything that's already there, since that could affect other parts of your store's design. Once you've reached the bottom, place your cursor on a new blank line and paste the set of code that I've provided for you. If you need more time to grab the code, you can pause the video and use the link in the description to access it. This code is what aligns your quantity selector and add to cart button so they appear neatly in the same row on your product page. After pasting the code, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button. Shopify will process your changes, and once it's done, your new styling will be applied. You can now preview your store, open one of your product pages, and you should see the quantity selector and add to cart button displayed side by side in a single line.